Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about percent and basic word problems on percent. So what is percent? Fraction with denominator 100 can be written as percent. So 1 over 100 is equivalent to percent, where 100 is known as cent and bar is known as per. Altogether they make percent. So here I have taken first problem 93 over 100. So here the fractional value is given with the denominator 100. I can directly write that fraction into percent with 93%. And second 25.5 over 100. Here also we have 100 in the denominator. So I can write 25.5%. So this is how we convert a given fraction with the denominator 100 into a percent. So I have taken one more problem. Write 3 over 5 as percent. So in 3 over 5, we don't have 100 in the denominator. But we can write the equivalent fraction of given fraction with the 100 in the denominator. To make 100 in the denominator, I have to multiply 20 here in the denominator. But if I will multiply 20 in the denominator, I have to multiply 20 in the numerator also. So 20 times 3 is 60 and 20 times 5 is 100. Now I can write 60%. This is how we convert a given fraction into percent if the fraction doesn't have 100 in the denominator. Now next is convert 5 over 4 as percent and decimal. So 5 over 4. Here also we don't have 100 in the denominator, but we can write the equivalent fraction which gives 100 in the denominator. So 4 times 25 is equivalent to 100. So we have to multiply 25 in the numerator as well. So 25 times 5 is 125. Now percent. So how we can write the percent of given fraction? So 125%. And the second one is decimal. So how we can write the decimal of this? So 125 over 100. I will just place the decimal. Here we have two 0 in the denominator. So I will place 1 and 2. So 1.25 is the decimal for the given fraction. So here I have taken word problem on percent. Out of 50 children in a class, 20 are girls. What is the percent of girls in the class? So first we will do part A. But for that I will draw a figure which is showing a class is having 50 children in it. Out of those 20 are girls. So rest of the boys are there. So how many boys are there? 30. 30 plus 20 will give you 50. Now we can write what fraction of girls are there. So fraction of girls is 20 over 50. Now we know how to convert a given fraction into the percent. So for that I will write 20 over 50. I can make it 100. So by multiplying 2 in the denominator and 2 in the numerator, I can write the equivalent fraction as 40 over 100. Now I can convert this fraction into the percent, which is 40%. So what percent of girls are there in the class? 40% girls are there in the class. And what percent of the boys are there in the class? So for the boys, what fraction? We can write 30 over 50. Now convert this 30 over 50 into the equivalent fraction with the 100 in the denominator. So times 2 and times 2. So 60 over 100, which is 60%. So the percent of boys in the class is 60% and percent of girls in the class is 40%. Now I have taken one more word problem. Jay earns 25,000 every month. Out of it, he saves 4,000. What percent of his salary he saves every month? So total earning is 25,000 rupees and saving is 4,000 rupees every month. Now we can write the fraction of saving. So what fraction he says? 4,000 over 25,000. Now I have got the fraction. Now I know how to write the percent for given fraction. So 4,000 over 25,000 times 100%. Now this 30 will be cancelled by 30. This 25 times 1, 25 times 4 is 100. Now 4 times 4 and this percent. So total 16% of his salary he saves every month. Thank you.